Now, in fats, fried food like samosa and puri snacks, malai, rabdi, peda. Do you think he was right? No, of course not, because fat makes our body unhealthy. To take more kind of fat, it makes our body unhealthy. But we have to, in a proportional way, we have to take carbohydrates, we have to take protein, we have to take minerals, we have to take vitamins, we have to take fat also, but in a proportional way. It can be very harmful for us to eat too much fat rich of foods, and we may end up suffering from a condition like called obesity. Now, deficiency disease, a person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. We are taking a we are taking daily dal chawal, we are taking daily chapati sabzi, but we are taking one kind of sabzi like spinach. If we eat daily spinach, we cannot get more kind of nutrients, we cannot that kind of nutrients, we get only vitamin c, only vitamin protein, calcium, but we cannot get vitamin a, b, this kind of vitamins we don't got. So it may be our body may suffer from some kind of deficiency. So deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occurs due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. If a person does not get enough proteins in his her food for a long time, he or she is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. If we do not have that much kind of balanced diet, we do not have that much kind of protein, do not have that much kind of nutrient in our body, so our body get deficient, and our body get diet may be deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop of our body completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin, so weak that he she or may not be even be able to move. If we cannot take protein or carbohydrates, we become so thin, we become so weak, we become so lean that we cannot move from one place to another. Deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases like disorders. Some of these are mentioned in table 2.3. All deficiency disease can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. In this chapter, we asked ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different regions had a common. So, why we have to vary different kinds of food? Why we have to vary different kinds regions food? So your the answer is in the next page, page number 6. So this is the main thing. Some diseases disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals in our body. The deficiency of vitamins and minerals, which kind of vitamins and minerals in our body, the deficiency we have. So from vitamin A, the loss of vision, we have this kind of deficiency if we have loss of vision. Now symptoms: poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1, berry, weakness muscles and very little energy to work. So if we have berry, if we do not get vitamin B1, the weakness of muscles get in our body may occur, and we have not much energy to work. In vitamin C, there is scurvy. Now bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. If we do not take vitamin C, so we have the in our body we have deficiency of scurvy. Now from vitamin D, the deficiency occurs like rickets. Bones become soft and bend. That our bones become soft and bend if we do not take vitamin D. If we do not take calcium, bone and tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay. Now iodine, goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. If we do not take iodine, we may occur with goiter, and lines of neck appear swollen, and mental disability in children. Now iron, if we do not take iron, we got anemia. It The symptoms are weakness. Distribution, this distribution we find ensures that our meals have a balance of the different nutrients needed by the body. So if we do not take this kind of vitamins and minerals, we may have loss of vision, we may have beriberi, we have scurvy, we may have rickets, we may have bone and tooth decay, we may have goiter, we may have anemia. So these are the most important, that we have to take these kinds of vitamins and minerals, that it is more healthy for us, and it protects us from this kind of diseases.